What happens when you unleash the power of creatine and protein shakes? We're about to find out. Welcome to our channel, where we're diving deep into the ultimate fitness question. Can you combine creatine with protein shakes? Get ready for a mind-blowing exploration of gains, science, and getting ripped. Buckle up because this is going to be epic. What is creatine? What does it do? Creatine is a naturally occurring compound that is found in small amounts in certain foods and is also synthesized in the human body from amino acids. It plays an important role in the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the primary source of energy for muscle contractions. When you consume creatine, it gets converted into phosphocreatine, a form of stored energy in the muscles. During high-intensity, short-duration activities like weightlifting or sprinting, the phosphocreatine releases its phosphate molecule to replenish ATP levels, providing a rapid and readily available energy source. This helps to increase the overall energy availability in the muscles and can enhance performance during intense exercise. Here are some key points about creatine. Increased strength and power. Creatine supplementation has been shown to increase muscle strength and power, allowing for more repetitions, higher weights, and improved performance in activities requiring short bursts of intense effort. Enhanced muscle mass. Creatine can lead to an increase in muscle mass, primarily due to its ability to promote greater water retention within the muscles. This increase in water content can make the muscles look fuller and may contribute to temporary weight gain. Improved exercise capacity. Creatine has been found to enhance exercise capacity, particularly in activities that involve repeated high-intensity efforts with short recovery periods, such as interval training or multiple sets of resistance exercises. Increased anaerobic performance. Creatine supplementation has shown benefits in improving performance during activities that rely on anaerobic metabolism, which is the energy system used for short-term, intense efforts. Faster recovery. Some studies suggest that creatine supplementation can help reduce muscle damage and inflammation, leading to faster recovery after intense exercise. What is whey protein? What does it do? Whey protein is a type of protein derived from milk. It is a byproduct of the cheese-making process, where whey, the liquid portion of milk, is separated from the curds. Whey protein is considered a complete protein as it contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for human nutrition. Here are some key points about whey protein. Muscle protein synthesis. Whey protein is rich in essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which plays a crucial role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. It provides the building blocks needed for muscle repair and growth, making it popular among athletes, bodybuilders, and those looking to support their muscle recovery and development. Rapid absorption. Whey protein is known for its fast digestion and absorption rate. It is quickly broken down in the digestive system, leading to a rapid increase in amino acid levels in the bloodstream. This makes it an ideal protein source for post-workout recovery, as it can swiftly deliver nutrients to the muscles. Weight management. Including whey protein in your diet can help support weight management goals. Protein-rich foods tend to increase feelings of fullness and may reduce appetite, potentially leading to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, whey protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning it requires more energy to digest and metabolize, which can slightly increase calorie expenditure. Muscle recovery and repair. Consuming whey protein after exercise can aid in muscle recovery and repair. It provides the necessary amino acids to support the rebuilding of damaged muscle tissue and can help reduce exercise-induced muscle soreness. Are creatine and whey protein a good combination? Yes, combining creatine and whey protein can be a beneficial combination for individuals looking to support their athletic performance, muscle growth, and recovery. Here's why. Synergistic effects. Creatine and whey protein work through different mechanisms to support muscle development and recovery. Creatine enhances energy production during intense exercise, allowing for increased strength and power. Whey protein, on the other hand, provides the necessary amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Together, they can complement each other's effects and potentially enhance overall muscle performance and development. Muscle protein synthesis. Whey protein is rich in essential amino acids, including leucine, which is a key trigger for muscle protein synthesis. By providing a readily available source of amino acids, whey protein can maximize the anabolic response after exercise. Creatine, by increasing ATP availability, can support the energy requirements for muscle protein synthesis. So, combining the two can optimize the muscle building process. Improved recovery. Both creatine and whey protein can aid in post-workout recovery. Creatine helps reduce muscle damage and inflammation, while whey protein provides the amino acids needed for muscle repair. By combining them, you can potentially accelerate the recovery process, reduce muscle soreness, and prepare your muscles for the next training session more effectively. We love that enthusiasts like you ask these questions. First, it clearly shows your desire to improve your grades. Second, it means you stay responsible and do your research. So is creatine and whey protein a good combination? There is no denying that using creatine and whey protein is a great combination and has been proven repeatedly to be very safe. Extensive studies have compared the effects of using whey plus creatine, and basic placebo testing to ensure that the psychological benefit of knowing what you are taking does not improve results. Results from 2 independent studies show quantitative benefits from mixing creatine and whey protein, but if you're over 48, there's a little additional benefit. Study 1. A group of middle-aged men, ages 48 to 78, was asked to participate in a 14-week trial measuring the effects of whey protein supplements, whey plus creatine, and placebo. All parties experienced gains in muscle mass due to a 14-week extension of the assigned 3-day high-intensity resistance training program. However, no additional benefits were noted in the whey, creatine, or whey plus creatine groups. Study 2. Another study believed to be the first formal trial to determine the effects of whey and creatine, found remarkable results. Following a 6-week training period in 36 male athletes, the following gains were recorded. Whey plus creatine. 4 kilograms increase in lean tissue mass. 13 kilograms increase on the bench press. 21 kilograms increase in squat strength. 7 Newton meters, increase in isokinetic knee flexion. Whey. 2 kilograms increase in lean tissue mass. 8 kilograms increase on the bench press. 21 kilograms increase in squat strength. 1 Newton meter increase in isokinetic knee flexion. Placebo. 0.5 increase in lean tissue mass. 8 kilograms increase on the bench press. 20 kilograms increase in squat strength. 1 Newton meter decrease in isokinetic knee flexion. The results clearly define that the combination of whey plus creatine significantly increased lean tissue mass and bench press strength, and concluded that other controlled variables showed minimal changes between all three. That's a wrap, folks. Combining creatine and protein shakes is the ultimate power combo. Now you're armed with the knowledge to take your gains to the next level. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep crushing those workouts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the gains with your fitness squad. Until next time, keep pushing and stay awesome.